Hi guys, it's me Amor and I am here with yet another loc video. So today I want to come on here real quick and show you guys my 7-month-old locks. I will be hitting 8 months this January. Today I have an appointment with my loctician. I haven't gone to see her in a few months, so I am super excited about this appointment. I'm super excited to go to her so she can fix the mistakes that I've made while retwisting and just to get me right, to be honest. Anyway, so without rambling on, I am going to wash my hair, but before I do so, I am going to give you guys a close-up on my starter locks, my 7-month-old locks.
y'all, so after watching this video, I realized I didn't get the back of my head as much as I needed to, so hopefully y'all don't make the same mistake as I did.
Okay guys, so I want to come on here real quick to show you my hair. I just got it retwisted the other day. Like 2 days ago actually. And this is me 7 months locked. So I just have a regular style at the top. And then this at the back. So if it looks crazy in the back, it's because I wrap my hair and y'all know how that goes. But yeah, all right. So I really just want to come on here and show you guys my locks before and after. I've been locked for 7 months now and it's going pretty good for the most part. My loctician did this. I could not ever actually. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure y'all give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.